Hello guys, this is SeconPower, and today I will take you guys to visit our factory. This is our working area. You can see our colleagues, they are working right now. This is our sales team meeting room. These are all the certifications we have gained. Right now we are TUV certified and C certified. So you can see our products have already meeting the global standard. And next, let's take a look at our workshop. Here you can see it's our factory. This is the assemble area. And that over there is the cable area. So let's take a visit one by one. Just follow me. Come with me. And here you can see this is our cable processing line. The quality of our cable ranks the top in this industry, And here you can see the quality of the connector is very hard. So lots of our competitors and also some factory doing the EV charger, they also take our cable material from us. So the quality is universally recognized. This is the best quality in the cable market. We have been focusing on the cable production for over 20 years. This is the assembly line of our AC and portable EV chargers. This is the functional test right here, and this is the aging test area for our AC chargers and portable chargers. For each one of our AC chargers, we will have at least 20 hours aging test before the shipping. And finally, let's take a look at our package. Commercial use. Right here, let's take a look. This one is the socket version for 22 kilowatt. And next, let's take a look at our DC chargers. Here is the DC chargers of 40 kilowatt. We also have 60 kilowatt and 80 kilowatt. These are for the wall mounting ones, and we also have the pedestal one. The pedestal one, the power of our pedestal EV station is from 120 kilowatt to 330 kilowatt. And we can also do the advertising EV chargers for you. This one is for the advertising EV charging station, and this one is 80 kilowatt. And advertising machine is for the 80 kilowatt. We can also do 120 kilowatt, depends on your needs. We can customize for you. This is our 320 kilowatt charging station, and with two port A and port B. This is the dual guns, CCS2 dual guns. This is the packing of our DC charger. We will test each one of them before shipping, and they will be packed with wooden box. So it's very hard and very durable. You will not be afraid or worry about whether it will be destroyed during the transportation. And this is the charging test area. Each one of the DC chargers or AC chargers will be fully tested. We will test whether it will work normally or will charge normally before shipping. And right here through the surface, you can see there are 3 modes for you to pay. You can pay by app to scan the QR code through the app, or you can also pay by credit card, or you can just swipe your RFID card and pay. As you can see, we are professional EV charger manufacturer. We supply to global market. So if you have any needs on EV chargers or charging cables, just feel free to contact us. And our professional sales team will always be ready to serve you for 20 hours a day and 7 days a week. So bye.